Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, today's video is a little bit of a glitter haul. I had purchased some glitters off eBay or AliExpress and Amazon, so I thought I'd show you the couple that I got. I'm also going to mix them together to produce my own kind of custom blend, along with some hollows that I have from Magpie as well. I think I might be using some glitter planet in there also. So if you want to see how I go about doing that, just stay tuned and I will let's just have a look. I will of course link below where I got these, so if you check the description box you'll be able to see. Now I am not going to apply any of these onto my nails today. I am literally just showing you them. So if you can see, these are all iridescent purple and greeny lavender colors of hexes. Now as you can see, some of them are tiny, some of them are big. This would be a lovely topper for some acrylics. I really like that. So this is a purple one that I got. I won't be mixing this one, I'll be leaving it as is. So the next one I got is a yellow. This is also kind of an iridescent. It's like overflowing, as full as it comes. So we have some it's kind of like sugar candy. It's like really fine pieces, and then some little hexes, if we can see it on this. So yeah, so these are quite iridescent as well. I think I'd probably only use that over a yellow, but it's real sunshine, real summery. If I'm going to use that one, I'd want to really do it soon. So the next we have 3 different greens. They are all the same in mix type. They are little hollow, or not hollow, sorry. They're little hexes with small glittery flakes in them, and they are 3 different greens. So you can see we have some small glitter and some big glitter, and I am going to mix these. I'm also going to mix them in with some Magpie glitters that I have, because I just want to break up that hex a little bit, just to have it more glittery as opposed to totally chunky. So I have an empty pot here, and I'm hoping this works out, and it works out nice. I'm just zooming out a little bit. So I'm just going to take a spoon of each one. Or should we do 2? These 2 colors are very similar. Oh, isn't that one just gorgeous? So in there, what I want to put in is, I want to put a small bit of Ariel. These are Magpies, as I was saying, because this is hollow. I want to put some holly because it's a metallic-y chunky. I just think it would go really well with it. And I also just want to put in this bright green. It's iridescent, and I just think it might set it off. So I'm going to do a cap full of each. I am in 2 minds of putting a little bit of Lola in there as well. Lola is just a silver hollow. So I'm going to shake this up and see what it looks like without the Lola, and then go from there to see if I want Lola in. Like you can really see that bell, it really stands out. I can't be without my hollow, guys. Gotta put a bit of her in. I hope that doesn't ruin it now. shaky, shaky. No, I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Dying to use that, and that's a bit of a ho 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 Merry Christmas. Dying to give that one a go. Dying to. Now, of course, if you wanted something a little bit more chunky, you could go in with something like this. This is called Hotline Bling from Glitter Planet. Their Magpie do one called Tara, which is the exact same as that one. But look, I think this turned out fab. So they are the greens that I got. So I also got some blues. So I'm just going to quickly put the lid on these and I'll come back to you. So this is blue number 1, and this is like a total hex royal blue. And then we have this same in a fabulous silvery baby blue. I think that might come off on camera as a silver, but it's a light blue. We have an aqua blue, and then finally we have this sky blue. So I am going to mix these ones as well. I'm going to go in with Kate. This is Magpie, just to break it up slightly, and I am going to use a bit of the silver hollow, but I'm going to go in with it in the Magpie version. That's just the noise of my drawer. Sorry, I was just pulling out the Magpie. So here it is, Tara. And I have it all over my desk now, but anyhow. So that's Tara. That's Kate. I absolutely love that one. That silvery one is just to die for. We're going to put the lid on and do a shaky shaky. Wow, I can't wait to try that. So I will just grab the lids onto the other ones and I'll show you the rest of the colours. The next 3 I'm going to show you is a pink, a purple and a gold, and I am not mixing these. So that is the pink. This is the purple, it's like a lilac. This is the gold. This is like fab. It has little flakes of pink in there. So the next 2 I am going to mix. I wasn't going to mix because I only got 2 instead of 3 or 4, but I said I'd give it a go. These are like rose gold champagne pinks. Oh, they all have numbers on the bottom as well. 204, 249. Very similar in colour, but I am going to mix this with my rosy, which I never use. Don't mind mixing it with this because I actually never use this colour. And again, I'm going to go in with Tara because I just lost the hollow. I just love the hollow. I might go in with Lola as well. Tara and Lola and some rose gold. I'm tempted to put some Flossie in there as well. Oh, go on. So Flossie, which is an iridescent. I'm not going to use too much of Flossie. Tara. Lola. good chunk of rosy. So the lighter of the two chunkies. Hopefully my camera is picking up that amazing colour. And then the darker of the two. This one is nearly a copper. And of course I have it everywhere, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. Lid on and shake. Oh, look at that. A little bit more. Just want to get the right consistency. Perfect. Guys, there we have my custom mix glitters from the glitters that I purchased. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just this purple fingernails over here. And of course I have another video over here if you want to check it out. Obviously, if you want to see me use these glitters on my nails, just put a comment in the description box and of course I'll do that for you. So until the next time, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.